friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we will make a very easy and simple veg mayo sandwich in a two-way. One is simple and other is grilled. So let's start. For making a filling, take 1 cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1 grated carrot, 1 finely diced cucumber, 1 finely diced tomato, finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped green chilli, finely chopped fresh coriander, 1 finely chopped capsicum, add a pinch of black pepper, followed by salt to taste. And add 4 tablespoons or more mayonnaise. Give it a nice mix. And our veg mayo filling is ready. Now take 2 breads, cut down the brown edges, spread some butter all over on the both bread. Add 3 to 4 teaspoons of filling on one bread and spread it evenly. Now cover it with another piece of bread. Cut diagonally. And our veg mayo sandwich is ready. Now let's make a grilled one. After making a simple sandwich, heat a griddle on a medium flame and spread some butter. Keep our sandwich on a griddle and grill it for 1 minute on both the sides. You can also use sandwich maker for this, or you can grill it in an oven. While making a grilled sandwich, add a cheese spread over the veg mayo filling before grill if you like. And here we go, our veg mayo grilled sandwich is also ready. This is so simple, and now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!